In this video, I will show you how to use Adobe Firefly to generate AI images using text prompts. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Adobe has launched its AI platform where it has opened access to 2 tools. One of the tools here is text-to-image, and you can use it to generate AI images, just like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and Bing AI. For now, it is in beta phase, but since I got access, I will show you how to use it to generate images via AI. Go to firefly.adobe.com and then open the text-to-image tool. To get started, you need to enter some text in the box at the bottom side. Include as many details as you can. After that, just hit enter. It will take a few seconds, and then it will generate 4 images based on your prompt. Click on any image to see it in the full dimensions. Also, see the other 3 images too. In the right sidebar, it gives you some options to add some style to the generated images. For example, you can choose a style or multiple styles, and then hit the Generate button again. Based on your inputs, it will refine the images that it has already created. Next, you can also tweak the aspect ratio as well. By default, it generates squared images. But you can also generate wide images by changing this parameter. When you have the final set of images with all the settings applied, you can open them and inspect them. You can leave feedback here for the Adobe team so they can improve the platform. You can submit the generated images to the Firefly gallery to show it to the community. Or, you can also go ahead and download it. But since commercial use is not allowed, it will add a watermark at the bottom left side of the image. The downloaded image is in high resolution though. This is it. In this way, you can now use Adobe Firefly to generate AI images on the fly. Feel free to explore other tech videos on our channel, and don't forget to leave your comments and questions on them.